6 feet apart.
I like the jeweled face mask. End of the world vibes.
Yeah, she's really into astrology. Read my chart, now she wants me. Hey. Yeah, she's really into astrology. Read my chart, now she wants me. But I wouldn't wanna do that. Yeah, all I want is in the bed. Yeah.
Nani died.
Just kidding. Yikes.
She's not dead, she's just in Connecticut. Same thing.
She's not dead before when she do, because I know it's coming up.
Double.
I love him. He's a great addition to our family right now. His owner is stranded. Where is he stranded?
I don't know where she is, honestly. I have no idea. You wanna go inside, Devil? Devil?
Let's head inside. Do you want to make a quarantini?
That sounds fucking disgusting. Inside. It's quarantine time.
Day 5 of isolation.
Carrots.
How are your Zoom classes going?
Oh my fucking god, it's awful. I got my nails done so that way in my online classes I could go like this. It's the worst thing I've ever experienced.
Why?
You know what it's like to try and flirt with a boy?
Like, what, 8 other people in the fucking video chat?
I know we're not supposed to share drinks, but can I sip your... Do we get a straw?
Corona.
First of all, you're allowed to hang out just not more than 10 people.
Yeah, we don't have that many friends anyways.
Yeah, but I think we should do it. We should find some so that we can break them.
We're making quarantinis. We have emergency.
This might make me actually fucking throw up.
Now we don't have orange juice, but we do have Corona. So
There's Corona in my quarantini. This is gonna be delicious.
it's my diet, my quarantine diet. Wait, do ASMR of you opening the emergency.
You got a lot of lettuce. Got me a bunch of salads.
All I want is a new bag. Yes, yeah. Heavy wallets on my pants sag. Damn, I really want that fucking new jag. Now,
See if I can do this correctly. I am not a bartender.
wow, baby girl, why you do that? Yeah, I really like you, thought you knew that.
Quarantini.
Emo girl with some cool tats, so cool. Yeah, a sad girl with a cute.
So I don't know what's next. Like, do we...
Are you making this up on the spot?
No, this is a TikTok recipe.
Yeah, so
Is this Corona?
you're supposed to have orange juice, but I forgot to get orange juice.
So all we have is Corona.
Your seltzer?
Oh, that's a good idea. Seltzy water.
Do we have seltzy
Yes,
water?
yes.
So why don't we do that?
Do you want to do that instead of the Corona? We'll put a splash of Corona.
Okay, just for funsies. Y'all remember Gil?
Gil has never been on the vlog.
He's been on the vlog twice.
That's not true.
Yes, he has.
The real fans will remember. Juicer, I'm making.
Okay, so ready? So we're gonna start out with 1 ounce of vodka. Can't fucking open it. This is garnished with a hair, skin, and nail gummy. Fun, right? So we're gonna start with 2 shots of vodka. 1, 2. 1, 2. Should there be ice in here? So after the vodka, you add your soda water. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one has a splash of Corona.
My shirt, now she honors me. Hey, yeah, she's really into astrology. My shirt, now she
And garnish with gummy vitamin.
Ideally, they should be the Freddy Flintstone type gummies, but this is all we
whatever fruity gummy you have, it will work. This is strawberry flavored, and you just put it right. Quarantini, fun, right? Gil, look at this disgusting drink me and Nani made.
Yeah, it looks fucking awful.
Oh, well, now we have to drink it, so. To quarantine?
To quarantine.
Alright.
That was not 6 feet apart. Not too bad.
Yeah.
You know?
I like the honey on the...
Yo, this is such a, like, the garnish is, wait, I need, it looks so fucking...
Wow.
Hey, yeah, she's really into astrology. My shirt, now she honors me. Hey, yeah, she's really into astrology. My shirt, now she